Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the type of insurance. Insurance can be classified into life and general insurance. Life insurance wherein an individual can insure themselves or their family member against the death or loss of any of their body parts. Alternative general insurance meant for insuring the individual property asset against the possible damage or loss against fire, theft or accident. Now we first discuss the life insurance. Life insurance involves insuring an individual or individual family member living life against the death or loss of any of their body part. The insured, however, pay a fixed premium periodically, means monthly, quarterly, annually, and get the insured amount either at the expiry of the policy or insured death, whichever is earlier. It is act as a mean of saving and provide a sense of security to the insured and their dependents. What are the main element of life insurance? First, contract. Life insurance is a contract between the insurer and insuree against the possible death or loss of any body parts. The contract include elements like the offering, the premium rate, terms, duration of contract, expectation, free constants, legal validity of the insurance plan. Next, history of life. Life insurance is a contract of utmost good faith. The insured should be honest and truthful in giving information about their own and family health and disclose or material fact supporting the same. Life of assurance. If life insurance also considered to be a life assurance, the assured is called insured as it involves payment of fixed premium paid in installment by their insured. The insurance policy provides protection to the family at the premature death of the insured who is assured with the compensation. Life insurance thus considered not only a protection but also an investment tool. Next, no contract of indemnity. Life insurance is not a contract of indemnity as the value of life and exact amount of loss to be a life cannot be estimated. Next, insurable interest. An insured obtaining for life insurance must have the insurable or financial interest in the concurrent life or property. This indicates that the person cannot get insured or obtain any insurance policy for themselves if any carry the risk of loss, damage, injury, or also benefit from safety of the property. Take the one example: an entrepreneur has the insurable interest in the lives of his her workers and seek life insurance for them. There are different type of life insurance policy that differ in the terms of duration of the policy, the amount of premium insured is willing to pay for his her protections, and underlying the tax incentives. The whole life insurance policy is like that in cash value policy that compensate the insured nominees or family after the insured death and also accumulate value during the insured lifetime. Whole life insurance policy is means to accumulate wealth as the insured pay regular premium. In India, whole life insurance policy provide lifetime protection till the insured is 80 year of age, and the insured can choose withdraw the sum plus accrued bonus declared under the policy anytime after 40 years from the date of commencement of the policy, provided the life insured has attained the minimum age of 80 years. However, if the person having life insurance dies, then his nominees would given the sum assured along with the accrued bonus and the policy would be terminated. Like that, there are endowment life insurance policy, joint life insurance policy, annuity policy, children endowment policy. Thank you.